Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Liam. That was such an amazing dinner, wasn't it?
Hi, Mia. Yes, it really was. I enjoyed every bite. The food was delicious, and the service was excellent.
I especially loved the grilled herb chicken. It was so tender and flavorful. The sauce was just right, light but full of taste.
I agree. And the pasta with fresh tomato basil sauce was fantastic too. The noodles were perfectly cooked, and the vegetables in the sauce were very fresh.
Don't forget the dessert. That chocolate cake was incredibly moist and sweet, but not too heavy. It was a perfect ending to the meal.
Absolutely, Mia. Every course was served at just the right temperature and time. I noticed that the presentation of the dishes was very elegant too.
Yes, the plates looked so beautiful. The chef clearly puts a lot of care into the presentation. I also liked how the restaurant's decor added to the experience. The soft music and warm lighting created a cozy and inviting atmosphere.
The ambiance really made the evening special. The paintings on the walls and the comfortable seating made it feel like a home away from home. I can see why so many people love this restaurant.
I know, right? It is one of the best restaurants in town. The quality of the food, the friendliness of the staff, and the overall vibe are just amazing.
Speaking of the staff, our waiter John was very attentive tonight. He checked on us regularly and made sure we had everything we needed. When we asked for extra napkins, he brought them immediately.
Yes, I appreciated that. He even took the time to explain the daily specials and the chef's recommendations before we ordered. It really helped us decide on our meals.
Exactly. I think his friendly and helpful attitude added a lot to our dining experience. It shows that the restaurant cares about its customers.
I'm definitely going to mention that when we pay the bill. Oh, speaking of which, shall we ask for the check?
Yes, let's do that. Excuse me, John.
Good evening, folks. How was your meal?
It was excellent, thank you. Could we please have the bill?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away.
You know, Mia, I always enjoy evenings like this. It's a great way to relax after a busy day.
I completely agree. I love trying new dishes and discussing them with you. It makes the meal even more special.
I'm glad we came here. It is not just about the food, it's about the whole experience. The service, the ambience, even the music. It all comes together so nicely.
Yes, and I think the restaurant has done a great job with everything. The quality of the ingredients really shows in the taste of the food.
That's true. The freshness of the vegetables and the herbs in the chicken, for example, made a huge difference. I also appreciated that they served the pasta with a generous portion of sauce and a sprinkle of fresh basil.
And the chocolate cake. Wow! It was so rich and creamy. I think it's one of the best desserts I've ever had.
I agree. The balance of sweetness and the smooth texture made it very memorable. I'm already thinking about coming back here just for the dessert.
Me too, Liam. This restaurant really knows how to impress its customers. I wonder if they have any special offers or promotions. They sometimes give discounts on weekdays, but tonight everything was perfect.
That would be interesting to know. I might ask next time. But for now, I'm really happy with our choices.
Here is your bill. The total comes to $72.50.
Thank you, John. Liam, how would you like to split the bill? Should we divide it equally?
Yes, splitting evenly sounds fair. That would be about $36.25 each.
Perfect. By the way, John, do you have any current promotions or special discounts available? I heard sometimes there is a discount for students or on certain days.
Actually, yes. Tonight, we are offering a 10% discount for guests who show a valid student ID. Do either of you have one?
I do have my student ID with me.
I have mine too.
Wonderful. I'll apply a 10% discount to your total. Let me recalculate that for you. With the discount, your total is now $65.25. Splitting that evenly makes it about $32.63 each.
That's a good deal. Thank you, John.
Yes, thank you so much. The discount is really appreciated.
You're welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed your meal. We hope to see you again soon.
We certainly will. The food was excellent and the service was top-notch.
I agree completely. I want to compliment the chef for the wonderful dishes and the restaurant for creating such a pleasant dining atmosphere.
Absolutely. I will definitely recommend the Golden Spoon to my friends. It's one of those places where everything feels just right.
And thank you again, John. Your service was very friendly and attentive. It made our dinner even more enjoyable.
Thank you both for your kind words. It was my pleasure serving you. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Thank you, John. Have a good night.
Yes, thanks, John. Goodbye.
I'm really happy with tonight's dinner, Liam. The food, the drinks, and even the discount made it a perfect evening.
Me too, Mia. It's wonderful to have a meal that not only satisfies your hunger, but also gives you a warm, friendly experience.
I feel that places like the Golden Spoon really make a difference. They care about the details, from the quality of the ingredients to the ambiance and customer service.
Exactly. It's not just about eating, it's about enjoying the whole experience. And I love that we got to share our opinions afterward.
Yes, discussing the food and service helps me appreciate the meal even more. It also gives me ideas for what to order next time.
I agree. I might try a different dish next time. Perhaps one of their seafood specialties. I have heard that their grilled shrimp dish is excellent.
That sounds delicious. I'd like to try that too. We can plan to come back soon and experiment with different dishes.
Absolutely. And maybe next time we can invite a couple of our friends to join us. It would be fun to share this experience with others.
That would be wonderful. I love when dining out becomes a social event. It makes the meal even more enjoyable when you can chat and laugh with friends.
Yes, and every visit to a good restaurant is like a little celebration. Tonight was a celebration of good food and good company.
I couldn't agree more, Liam. I'm already looking forward to our next dinner together. Maybe we can try a different restaurant that also offers great promotions.
That's a great idea. I'll keep an eye out for any upcoming events or discounts. Dining out is not just a meal, it's an adventure.
Exactly. Well, I think it's time for us to head home. Thank you for such a lovely dinner, Liam.
Thank you, Mia. I had a wonderful time. Let's plan our next outing soon.
Definitely. Have a great night, and thanks again to John and the rest of the staff at the Golden Spoon. They made our evening extra special.
Yes, thank you, John. And thank you, Mia, for a delightful dinner and conversation.
You're welcome, Liam. Take care and see you next time.
Good night, Mia. Goodbye.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.